In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop down on a Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, head over to Canva's website by navigating to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, signing up is straightforward and you can follow along once you're set up. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Canva homepage. This is your central hub for creating and managing your projects. Next, locate the Projects tab on the website. Click on it and this will display all the projects that you've been working on or have previously created. Browse through your projects and select the one you'd like to add a drop-down menu to. This could be anything from a website design to a presentation. The possibilities are truly endless with Canva. Now that you have your project open, it's time to add a text element that will serve as the basis for your drop-down menu. In the design area, look for the option to add text. Insert a text box by selecting the text button. You can start by either adding a title or a category name for the drop-down menu. This will help provide context as it serves as the clickable element. Be creative with the font and color choice here, and ensure it aligns with the overall design of your project. With the text added, it's time to create the magic of a drop-down effect. Select the text box you just created. You'll notice the top menu bar has a series of options. Look for the link button. It usually resembles a chain icon. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter a URL or internal link that you want the text to be associated with. What you're essentially doing is simulating a drop-down menu function. While Canva doesn't have a built-in drop-down feature like a coding platform might, linking elements creatively can mimic the same effect. For instance, you can link this text to a separate page or a document that lists additional menu options. Simply type or paste the desired link and select Apply. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've creatively crafted a drop-down menu using Canva's tools. Remember, while this method may not have the same dynamic functionality as traditional web coding, it's a fantastic workaround for creating interactive designs in Canva. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to explore and experiment with different styles and designs to make your drop-down menu stand out. If you have any questions or want to share your creations, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!